Hello friends and welcome to Abigail Crochet Style. My name's Abigail and I'm super excited for today's video. If you're new, don't forget to subscribe and touch that like button. Also, follow me on social media. I'll have everything linked below. So today's video, we're doing a fun crochet vlog. This is some old footage, so I'm sorry it took me so long to get this out, but I didn't want to waste it or move on, so I will have more videos that are more recent coming out soon, but this one I hope y'all all enjoy. Don't forget to comment below your thoughts on my projects, and yeah, enjoy. Hello friends, so it's been a while since I've last come on. It is already the new year, so the last time I filmed it was the last year, so this is some new content. I've decided to do a new project, so it's this cute whale, and it's from the book Pick a Pal 3, and this is by Jan Shekel, and I love her patterns. They're really cute, but I'm going to try to do it in a lighter sort of form, so I'm going to have this blue from Premier Yarns. This is known as Azure, I believe, and then this is just a white. And sorry about that lamp again, I'm going to try to fix that, but that's what I'm going to work on, so I decided I'd start crocheting it now, and I'll come back on and, you know, sort of check in with you. But I'm super excited to be doing this project, and I love her pattern, so it's going to be really cute. I have to show you when I'm done with it. Is going on, so we got the whole body of the whale done. We're just finishing off that, and I actually ran out of yarn, so I couldn't do the tail or the fins, so I had to make a quick order on Amazon, and this was actually a pretty good deal. It wasn't as cheap as on Premier's actual site, but I got 3 balls drop shipped and some like stitch markers too, and it was like $19 or something like that for 3. So it wasn't a horrible deal, but it wasn't the best as if you ordered off of Premier. But you know, Premier has that shipping fee, so I thought I'd go with Amazon Prime free shipping. But so I'm gonna just finish this tail up and try to do the fins today. We're watching some Crochet by Jenna while we're doing it, so it's going to be a fun little vlog. I'll probably film a little bit when I'm doing the fins, but I just wanted to come on and show y'all how things are going on. I did a short on this, and a lot of people had some fun guesses, so I'm going to be doing a reveal short. If I've already done it, I'll post it on the screen right now so you can watch it, but if not, then it's going to come out soon. So yeah, it's a cute little whale. It's a lot bigger than I thought. It's like definitely over 2 feet long, so it's a big whale, big blue whale. Alrighty, so we're working on this project. This is the tail, so we're working on the tail right now, and we're watching Crochet by Jenna, so it's gonna be a fun project. We just finished the back fin, so this is what it looks like. It honestly looks like a taco or like the moon or something. It's very funny, but this is the tail, so I'm going to this is the whale. So this is the full thing. I don't know if I can get it on camera. Maybe if I catty corner it or something. But this is the full whale. So I'm basically just going to take the tail end and like sew it onto the tail, so that's going to be a bit of a process because this thing is so big. So I'm gonna go ahead and sew that on. Yeah, it's gonna be interesting. Today is a rainy day, so it's a Sunday right now. It is the 23rd. Yeah, it's Sunday the 23rd, and it is a very rainy day, so I thought I would finish the whale today and maybe start on a new project, or I may just chill out. That would be nice too. I haven't had a good like chill day in a long while, so this might be the perfect opportunity to do so. So let's see here, just attach. I love doing these vlogs though, because like I feel like y'all are crocheting with me, so I really do hope y'all are, and they make me really happy. Let me know in the comments if these vlogs make you happy and if you want to see me do more. I know I've done quite like maybe 2 or 3 like vlogs, but some of them are like labeled crochet with me, others are like highlighting a certain project. I know I've done like a sword in the past, and that was the main project, and then I also did sunflower dragon, and y'all seem to like those 2 projects, so I was going to try to do some tutorials for those. Definitely the sword, because I've already had several of you comment that you were wanting to know where the sword pattern is, and it is in the works. I am working on it, and if it is already out, then I'll have like a link to that video, but I want to try to get that tutorial done, so I'm working on that. But right now we're going to focus on Mr. Whale because he needs a lot of attention. So let's just sew this guy up. Okay, so the tail is all on, as you can see, and it looks really, really cute. I wish I could get like the entire whale on this screen, but it is like impossible almost. So that is what the tail looks like. And that's the whale, so you can see the tail on the whale. It's like very unproportioned, but you get the point. That's the tail on the whale. So we're going to go ahead and do the fins, the 2 front flippers. And yeah, and then we can just sew them on, and this whale will be all done. It is like absolutely giant. I'm gonna have to get like it on my bed so you can see the full whale, because it's like I can't fit in the camera. Maybe if I like back the camera up or something, I don't know. It's just too hard to get it all in. Like there, that's the whale. It's super cute though. It's turning out really good. So I finished the first fin, or flipper, or whatever you want to call it. So this is what it looks like, and now I'm working on the second one, and we're making some good progress. So I definitely am going to be able to finish the whale today, which is great. So all we have to do is this last one, and then we can sew them onto the body. I finished both of the fins, so now all I'm going to do is sew them onto the main whale, and then I'll come and show you what it looks like all done. Take a moment and just suck in this beautiful sight of a finished whale. It is like taken over my desk. It is like the entire length of my desk, and I think the fins turned out really cute. I'm gonna try to get better footage of it because you can't really see it all even when I do it like this, but yeah, this thing is massive. Let me put it on my bed and then I'll show y'all. So sorry for this weird yellow light. The light fixture in here is like very yellow, but just take a look at this. I mean, it is a whale. It is like ginormous and long, and I like love it. I love this thing. It is so big, and like, see it roll over. It is like so cute. I'm in love with this thing. I'm gonna have to like make a million whales. Actually, no, strike that. I'm gonna just try to make a bunch of sea creatures to go along with my whale. But I love this guy. He is definitely over 2 feet long, maybe even more, or like right at 2 feet. But it is just so pretty. I'm gonna try to do something about this lighting so it actually looks the right color. But editing me will have to do that. But it is so big. I absolutely love this whale. It's super cute. I didn't get to do the lines that they have for it because I ran out of white yarn, but I still think it looks really cute even without it. Maybe I will do it, update it in the future, but I don't think so. But it's so cute. I absolutely love it. Well, I guess we'll move on to the next project now. I had to come back on and just show you how funny these arms are on this whale. The fins turned out way longer than I thought they were going to be, but they're really cute on it. Try not to mind Excalibur up here on my bed. I am making a tutorial for that, but I just thought this is such a cute pattern. It is by Yan Shekel in her book Pick a Pal 3. Sorry for my camera lens, but I absolutely love these patterns in this book. She's got several different ones. I'm going to do reviews on her books soon, but just look for Pick a Pal 3. I will have a link to it. It is on Amazon, but yeah, this is a really cute pattern. Hello friends, today is March the 4th, I believe, late in the afternoon, and I just wanted to come on and show you what I've been working on. So I started a new project, and before you look at me like I'm crazy, just let me show you how awesome this is turning out. So yes, if you said, why are you making another sunflower project, I'll just tell you why. It is about to be spring, so it just turned March, so it's spring, so I was like, I want some sunflowers because I'm thinking of summer, and I'm like ready for summer because, you know, I'm ready for busy things to stop and everyone to just slow down. But anywho, I did recently make a sunflower pattern that was no sew, and I wanted it to start out as a pillow, so that's what I wanted it to do, but it did not turn out that way. It was way too small. And then I made a sunflower dragon, which turned out extremely well. I will have videos of that linked at the end of the video as well as in the description box below. But I decided to retry the pillow, throw pillow idea of a sunflower. So I made a new center and I developed a new petal pattern that I really like. So I looked at some different examples on the internet and I sort of just went off of that, and I think it turned out like really cute. Let me know what you think in the comment section below, but it turned out really big. It's about the size of my head, a little bit larger than that. I put it on top of my head and it looked like a little flower hat, which I thought was a really cute idea, so I may revisit that too. More sunflower projects, yay. But I'm going to add a backing to this, and it's going to be in this key lime green. So all this yarn is by Premier Parfait Chunky, so I think we just have yellow, and then we have teddy bear brown, and then we have the key lime green. I love this green color because it's just so light and like fun and carefree. But I'm going to go ahead and try to finish this up either today or tomorrow. All I have to do is build up the pillow and then round it off, so it's going to be really cute, and then I have to stuff it. So I'm definitely going to come on and show you that, maybe even film some of the crocheting, but I may not have time to do that. But I just wanted to come on and check on and let y'all see what I've been working on. I feel like it's been forever since I like did a vlog, so I'm going to, you know, film some more content for y'all. Y'all seem to like those videos, but let me know in the comment section below which videos do you like the most. I will be having a lot of new things coming on the channel, so be sure to look out for that if they aren't already out. I may have already dropped my part of the How to Crochet series, so I'm so glad y'all are here, and let's get crocheting. So I thought I'd just come on and show you what project I'm working on now. It's got 4 legs, and it's a new pattern from Crochet by Jenna, and we're doing this little baby Highland cow. Excuse the shadow of my mic, but I just wanted to come on, show you the project, and then hopefully I'm wanting to finish it by tomorrow. So today is a Saturday, so I think we'll get it done. But it's turning out really cute. It's a little bit smaller than I expected, but I also got the bigger pattern, but I really like this small size. It's like really nice and cute. It'll be really cute on a desk or by your bed, so I'll have this pattern linked in the description box below, but yeah, let's get crocheting. So I thought I'd just come on and give you an update on the cowl. So I got the whole body finished with the cowl, and it's a pretty decent size. I mean, it's about the size of my hand, a little bit bigger. It's a chunky little cowl, but I also finished its little head. So here's the head, and then all of its little parts. So I've got 2 horns, which are gonna go like this on the head, like so. So they're gonna go down like that. And then I got the little ears that are gonna go on there, and they're super cute. So here's the other ear. And then we've got the little hair frills. Since this is a Highland cow, so we're gonna have 3 little hair frills on that. But I'm gonna finish sewing it all up, and I'm gonna come and show you all the finished product. I'm super excited. And yeah, this is a really cute pattern. It'll be linked in the description box below, like I said before. But yeah, it's a cute little cow. Turned out really, really cute, and it's a really nice size, as you can see on the camera. Yeah, and it fits just right in my hand, and I really like it. The pattern will be in the description box below, but yes, let me know what y'all think about this cow. I think it's really cute. I think we're going to call the video here. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please comment below and hit that like button. Also, don't forget to subscribe and visit my channel so you get updates on all of my newest videos and tutorials. Don't forget to follow me on social media. I'll have everything linked below, all the patterns and stuff like always. And I hope you have a wonderful rest of your day, and God bless.